Hello first years, welcome back to maths class. Previous class we discussed about coordinate axis, equation of x axis, equation of y axis and the lines parallel to x axis, the lines parallel to y axis and the slope of the line we discussed in previous class. Actually just some basic points we discussed in our first class. Now come to the second class. Here in this class we will discuss with different forms of straight line equations. We will discuss with different forms of straight line equations. You can ask the question, Madam, you told the general equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. How comes different forms of straight line equations? Actually, finally, after the simplification, each and every equation, straight line equation will be in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 only. That means first x term will be there, next y term will be there, next constant term will be there. But according to the given situation, how we have to take straight line equations? So, in that first type of straight line form is number one is intercept form and second one is point slope form and third one is slope intercept form and fourth form 2-point form and fifth form normal form. Okay, so girls, first come to the intercept form. So when we have to take this intercept form, if any line, see this is your line, we can write this as AB, right? This is the line. AB line intersects the x-axis at a distance A from origin and at a distance B from horizon on y-axis. If any line, any straight line intersects the x-axis at a distance A and intersects the y-axis at a distance B, then that line is called intercept form of the equation. So we can write that as x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. So we will write equation of straight line intersects x-axis at a distance and y-axis at b distance. Then its equation is equation of straight line intersects x-axis at a distance and y-axis at b distance is, its equation is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is called the intercept form. Whenever any line intersects the x-axis at a distance a, y-axis at a distance b, then that line equation is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So now we will solve one problem based on this intercept form. See the question. This is our first question. Find the equation of straight line passing through the point 2, 3 and making non-zero intercepts on the axis of coordinate whose sum is 0. This is the given question to you, which is based on, why I am saying it is based on intercept form. Here it is given that it intersects. See, find the equation of the straight line passing through the point and making non-zero intercepts. And here it is given that whose sum is 0. So come on girls, first what is the given information to you? Given that we are solving the first question based on the intercept form. Given that the intercepts are non-zero it is given that they are non-zero and it is given that their sum is 0. Sum means addition. Sum is 0. So come on girls, let's take A, comma, minus A, B intercepts. A, comma, minus A, B the intercepts. So we can see, if we add these two, sum is 0 is given to you. If you add, this will be 0 and they are non-zero. Yes, some value is there. So then equation of the line is, what is the equation of a line? X by x intercept plus y by y intercept. Here we have taken, actually in place of b we have taken minus a is equal to 1. This can be written as x by a plus of minus y by a is equal to 1. Now you take the LCM as a, x minus y is equal to 1. So x minus y is equal to a. If we send a, 1 into a, it is first equation. What is the given information to us? Given that it passes through 2, 3. So 1 passes through 2, 3. 1 passes through 2, 3 implies, come on, it is 2 minus 3 is equal to a, implies 1 minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 3 is minus 1 is equal to a. So therefore, what is your, from 1, what is your straight line equation? So therefore, straight line equation is x minus y is equal to a is equal to minus 1. So this is your required circle equation. Generally it should be of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So therefore finally it is x minus y. Bring this side, that will be minus 1 becomes plus 1 is equal to 0 is required straight line equation. This is your first question. Once again, whenever any straight line intersects the x-axis at a distance a, y-axis at a distance b, this is called the intercept form and its equation will be in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So now we have taken one problem based on that formula. In that problem it is given that the intercepts are non-zero intercepts and whose sum is 0. So such a type we have to select the intercepts, two intercepts whose sum means addition should be 0 and they should be non-zero. Yes, some value is there, we have taken a minus a, not 0 values, right, non-zero whose sum is 0. Like that we have to select two intercepts. So equation of the line, whenever intercepts are there, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So in a place a and in b place we have to take minus a is equal to 1. Now plus of minus, take the LCM and send that's 1 into a is a. You consider that as equation 1. So here it is given that this one passes through 2, 3. So your 1 passes through 2, 3. Substitute in x place 2, y place 3. Then you get a is equal to minus 1. Finally, you substitute in the equation, that is your required straight line equation. Now come to the second question. What is the second question? Find the equation of the straight line, right? Passing through minus 4, 5 and cutting equal non-zero intercepts. Here sum is given, there it is given that equal, right? So first you write down what is the given information to you. Given that given that intercepts are equal and non-zero. So you take two intercepts which are equal as well as non-zero. So let A comma A be the intercepts. Then what will be whenever intercepts are given to us? Which equation we have to take? Straight line equation. X by A plus Y by B is equal to 1. So we will take X by A plus Y by A is equal to 1. Here X intercept is A and Y intercept is also A. Here it is given that equal intercept, that's why we have to take like that. So take the LCM. So LCM is A. So it is X plus Y is equal to 1. X plus Y is equal to 1 into A. Given that it passes through, same like your previous problem, only thing is here their sum is equals to 0, here equal intervals. Given that it passes through which point? Minus 4 comma 5. So it passes through minus 4 comma 5, implies in X place minus 4, in Y place 5 is equal to A. Therefore your A value is 1. Minus 4 plus 5, 1. So what is from your first equation? What is your required equation? Therefore required straight line equation is, what is it? X plus Y is equal to 1, implies X plus Y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is your second question. On intercept form, whenever line intersects x-axis, y-axis, this is the form called intercept form. This is one type of line equation, and I have given one homework problem also. Try to solve this problem. Okay, next come to the second type is point slope form. Second type of straight line form is point slope form. So when line is there whose slope is known, it is making an angle theta, then slope can be taken as m is equal to tan theta. Previous class I said, what is the slope? M, it is denoted by, and its formula is tan theta. If any line slope is known and one point is known, that means it is passing through one point, then what will be that line equation? That is called second form, point slope form. This is your second form. So equation of straight line with slope m and passing through x1, y1 is, that equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Any lines slope is known and it passing through the point, then we have to take this formula and it is called the point slope form. Always, if you know the slope, if you know the point, go for this problem. Now come to the third question we are solving, right? That question, third question, based on this formula. Find the equation of the straight line makes an angle pi by 4 and passing through 0, 0. So come on, equation of the straight line makes an angle pi by 4. First write down what is the given information to you. Given that theta is equal to pi by 4. So is equal to 180, you know it, what is pi? 180 by 4 is equal to 45. 4 4s are 16, right? 2 will be there, 4 5s are. And passing through one point is also given to us. It is origin, isn't it? Passing through origin, and you consider that as x1, y1. So what is the formula for equation of straight line when slope is given to you? Isn't it, girls? Slope is given to us? Yes, indirectly it is given to us. How? See, once we know the theta, we can easily find the slope. M is equal to tan theta is equal to tan 45 is equal to 1. You know the slope, you know the point. So equation of straight line is, what is the formula? Now only you got it. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 0 is equal to 1 into x minus 0. So y minus 0 is y, x minus 0 is x, x into 1 is x. So generally first we will write x, then we will write y term. Send that side is your required line equation. This is your 2 marks question. We will solve one more problem of same type by taking fourth question. Observe, fourth question is written on the board. What is that? Based on this form only. So find the equation of straight line makes an angle 135 passing through this minus 2 comma 3. This is your fourth question. So what is the given information to you? Given that, what is the given information? Theta is equal to 135. Theta is given, we can easily find the slope. So what is the slope? M is equal to tan theta is equal to, is it 135, right girls? So tan theta, so it is tan 135. We can write that as tan of 90 plus 45. So how we will take 90 plus 45 in your, by your trigonometry? This is 90. So this is your 90 plus theta. Whenever 90 plus theta, it belongs to second quadrant, value belongs to second quadrant. In second quadrant only sine and cosec are positive, remaining are negative. So you will get negative sine. And for 90 plus theta, ratio changes, tan changes to cot of the angle, that is cot 45 is equal to, cot 45 value is minus 1. And one more information, it passes through which point? It passes through minus 2 comma 3, minus 2 comma 3. So this is nothing but your x1, y1. So slope is known and point is known. Then we have to take this formula to get our equation of straight line. So equation of straight line is, what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 is 3 is equal to m is minus 1 into x minus x1, minus of minus plus. So y minus 3 is equal to minus x, minus of plus, minus 2. First term should be x and it should be positive. So bring this side. So x plus y minus 3, bring this one also this side, is equal to 0. X plus y minus 1 is equal to 0 is the required straight line equation. So these are the two forms. One is intercept form. This is point slope form. If you know the slope, if you know the point, to get straight line equation, you have to use this formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So, we did 2 problems based on these 2, right. So, this one is, first one is theta is equal to pi by 4, pi means 180. So, 180 by 4, 45. That means indirectly slope is given to us and point is given to us, just substitute. There also angle is given to us 135. So, 135 can be written as 90 plus 45. So, we can, it belongs to second quadrant. In second quadrant, only sine and cosec are positive, remaining are negative, remaining ratios are negative. Here we are having tan, that is why it is negative. So, negative, and for 90 plus ratio changes, tan changes to cot 45 and its value is 1, and it passes through and substitute. Whenever slope is known, point is there, to get straight line equation we have to take this one. So, today we finished 2 forms of straight line equations. One is intercept form and one is point slope form. Intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, and point slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. And I have given one homework question based on first one. See the question, it is intercepts. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point and making non-zero intercepts whose sum is 0. Whenever in the question intercepts is given, it is in first form, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Whenever point is given, slope is given, you have to go for this formula and try to solve the homework, and you keep one practice notebook as well as regular notebook, and copy the questions in regular, and once you practice, if you are attentive, one time practice is more than enough. That's all for today. Have a nice day.